Welcome back to yet another video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a shoe. And this shoe is a little bit different than the other shoe that I reviewed. It's a basketball shoe still, but it can also be used for lifestyle. And I'm pretty interested in this shoe because it's a bit different. The color is off. I mean, it's a Jordan. It's a Jordan 1. It's a bit different. So I'm a bit excited. So let's get into the video. A couple of videos ago, I tried this magic trick in my other unboxing, so I'm going to try it again right here, right now, in front of all of you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That worked! That was awesome. I'm so happy that worked. If that didn't work, that probably would have been pretty embarrassing, but I'm glad it worked. Let's check out a bit of the box. There's nothing too interesting about the box. The Air Jordan logo has been the same in gold color on the top of the box for a while now. And yeah, the color that I got, or the shoe, is Air Jordan 1 Mid, and the color is black with a bit of pine green, white, and gym red. So I'm a bit excited. That color sounds pretty crazy. Let's go check it out. Right out of the box, it just feels like really nice, like a nice and sturdy shoe. Obviously, Nike hasn't really changed the design of the Jordan 1 for a while. I don't think they really ever will because it's just such a classic shoe. Now, let's get into what the shoe is just made of and if it's comfortable or not. So, we'll do that now. These are the three main things that I like about the shoe. The first thing is the perforated leather toe box. I mean, the whole shoe is really just surrounded by leather, which is a really nice thing that I like. Also, the color is like absolutely amazing. I mean, you don't really see a green on an Air Jordan too often. Just like the court purple, which are a really awesome shoe, but I really like these, so I got these over the court purples. And I also really like the solid sole, the solid rubber sole, which is a little different to the shoe that I usually wear now, which is the 720 Max. These shoes just have a giant wraparound bubble, and it's comfortable. It's actually a really nice shoe, but I really like the solid sole of the Air Jordan 1. So let's try these on and get an on-foot little review thing here. Now, the thing I really like about these shoes is they're actually really comfortable. I've never really worn an Air Jordan 1 in my life, so these are actually, they feel really nice. I've owned a pair of Jordans, but they weren't as comfortable as these. These shoes also look really nice on my feet. I had owned a pair of Converse before, and they looked absolutely giant, but these are nice, and they're not too skinny, but they're not too wide, and they fit my foot absolutely perfectly. The toe box isn't like squeezing my toes together. It actually gives them nice room to move around. And the color just looks really nice with the black and the green and the white and a bit of gym red on the side. I think overall these shoes are just absolutely perfect for anybody, I would say. So if you're looking to buy a pair of Jordan 1s, I would definitely recommend these. I'm Fedora Kid. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These are the Jordan 1s. And they look absolutely amazing. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see me unbox any shoes, please leave a like. I really like making these videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'm gonna head out. Bye.